today we are going to discuss the that is real numbers. Okay, we have already know about the real numbers and its operation. How can we represent real numbers? In the previous videos, we already know and discussed about something very clearly here. But today our topic is the rationalization. Okay, our topic is rationalization. How can you rationalize a real number or mainly a irrational number? Okay, irrational number can be rationalized, na? Yes or no? Why? Because any irrational number is given square root of 2. This is an irrational number, so it can be rationalized. Here's my point: by multiplying something or adding, subtracting something. Okay, so this is the rationalization. See, suppose any number is there that is square root of 3. So this is the irrational number. But how can we rationalize it? Rationalize means makes it rational number. If I multiply here square root of 1, suppose I multiply square root of 1, it becomes square root of 3. It is irrational. Yes or no? It is irrational. But it can be, we have to rationality. It means whether we multiply any number, we get a rational number. So this is the multiplication we have to do. So square root of 3 multiplied with square root of 2, that is square root of 3 and 2, that is square root of 6. This is also a irrational number. Yes or no? This is also a irrational number. Then this is a rational number. Yes or no? See, when I multiply here 1, it is square root of 3, so that is irrational. When I multiply square root of 2, that is square root of 6, that is also irrational. But when I multiply square root of 3 with square root of 3, that is 3 multiplied with 3 gives 3. That is a rational number. So this is called the rationalization. This is called the rationalization of irrational number. Here's my point. But suppose any number is given 1 upon square root of 2. See, in this number, this is the root 3 means what? That is root 3 upon 1. Yes or no? So the irrational part is on the numerator. Yes or no? But see, 1 upon root 2. See this number, 1 upon root 2. The irrational part is on the denominator. Is on the denominator. So how can we convert it into the numerator? Sorry, how can you convert it into the rationalization form or rational number? How can you convert? So this is called the rationalization of the denominator. Here. So rationalization of denominator. Here. So 1 upon square root of 2. It means there is a formula, that is if a upon square root of b is there, any number in this form, a upon square root of b is there, how can you rationalize the denominator? Denominator means the lower part. Okay, how can you rationalize? That is, you multiply the same number, the same square root of b on the denominator. If you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator also to equivalent. See, 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. How can these two are equivalent? See, 1 upon 2 can be written as 1 multiplied with 2 and 2 multiplied with 2. It gives 2 upon 4. So these are called two equivalent. Yes or no? So we have to equivalent the numerator and the denominator. That is, a upon square root of b is written in this form. That is, square root of b can be cancelled. Yes or no? That can be cancelled. So we get this same result. So you can multiply here and get a square root of a b upon what? B. Then the denominator is rationalized. B is a rational number, but square root of b is a irrational number. Get my point? So in this way, we can make it rationalize. Okay. So 1 multiplied with square root of 2 and 2 square root of 2 multiplied with square root of 2. It gives what? That is square root of 2 upon 2. This is the rationalization. Rationalization of denominator. See the term. Rationalization of denominator means denominator becomes rational. Denominator becomes rational. Yes or no? 2 is a rational number. Yes. So this is the rationalization. Then suppose another example is there. Suppose there is given 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. See, here is there is one term also, only one term. It is 1 upon square root of 2. Only one term. But here there are two terms. One is the rational, another is the irrational. So how can you convert it into the rational number? Think about it. How can you convert it into the rational number? How can you convert? There is a formula also, that is when the form is 1 upon a plus b, you have to multiply a minus b. Remember this. This is very important. When the rational number or any real number is in the form 1 upon a plus square root of b, you have to multiply a minus b on both numerator and denominator. NR means the numerator. I write in a simplified manner, that is NR means numerator and DR means the denominator. Clear? Suppose is given 1 upon a minus root square, this form is given, then you have to multiply what? The opposite. Simple the opposite, that is a plus b on numerator as well as denominator. Clear my point? So these are the main two formula for the rationalization. Clear? This is not necessary that the numerator is always in the form 1. There is also another form, that is suppose 2 plus square root of 3 is there. There is also, but you have to pointed out, you have to focus mainly the denominator, not on the numerator. Numerator, whatever may be the number, in place of 1, there is also 2 plus root 3 here. But simply you have to know, or you have to focus about the denominator. What is the denominator? If the form is a plus b, or simply there is also a plus b is there. Suppose a plus b is there. You have to multiply a minus b. Suppose a minus b is there. You have to multiply a plus. Clear? You have to remember. This is very important. Then the problems in your exercise or textbook is in this form. Okay. So this is the rationalization of denominator. Okay. Note it down. Clear? So this is all about your rationalization of denominator. Clear? So this was for today, and in next video we will discuss about some problems regarding the rationalization. How can we rationalize the real numbers? Here's my point. So this was for today, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates, and see you next class. Thank you.